Hey, my daughters have recently taken up playing guitar, just like their old man. They've been practicing a lot more lately. However, the guitars have just been kind of laying around. I'd like to fix that. So we're gonna take some scrap wood and make a stand for 3 of my guitars so we can just grab them when we want, practice, put them back, and they'll all be consolidated to one location, finally. Welcome back to Post 5 Productions. This is just going to be a simple design. From what I am seeing, I figure 7 inches should be more than enough room to keep these from banging around. It's just going to be a really simple design. Just a couple of rails on the bottom, bar across the top, diagonal going from the bottom up to the top, with little cutouts for the fretboard to sit in. And I think I'm going to take the my multi-tool and dado a little slot for guitar picks to sit in. This plan is going to be roughly 28 inches across here, roughly 20 inches wide here, and going to primarily use this I think it's 1 by 3.5. Yep. It came with our garage door when we built the barn. We told them to leave it, don't take it. It's a pretty good piece of pine. And for the bottom rungs here, going across at the base of the guitar sits on, I'm going to use these poles, but I'll wrap them in something to protect the wood on the guitars. Let's get going. So I was going to do these cutouts at roughly 2 1/4 inches to leave plenty of room for padding, but 2 1/8 is the biggest Forstner bit I have, so that's the winner. So these bars are about 27 and 7/8, 27, 15, 16, somewhere around there. I don't have any cloth or foam to cover these. Well, I have some, but I don't have an easy way of attaching it to this that won't be incredibly messy. So what I plan on doing is cutting up this old dollar store garden hose that I've had for forever. Just going to cut it to length, rip a length down, because this is smaller than the pipe. I'll just rip a slit down and pretty much just tuck it over top of the pipe. So I'll cut 2 lengths, wrap it, not even going to glue it, and then I'll stick the pipes in.
Thanks for watching.
Until next time.
Y'all take care.